Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our group presentation for ITT300 assignment 2. My name is Muhammad Fadlan Muizzuddin bin Muhammad Fazmi, and I will introduce our group members. So our first group member is our leader Muhammad Shazwan Iman bin Sabri. The metric number is 2019 440486. And the second group member is Muhammad Aizat bin Azman with metric number 2019 203884. And next we have Muhammad Harid bin Muhammad Khairuddin with metric number 2019 402142. And lastly we have Muhammad Fadlan Izzuddin bin Muhammad Fazmi. Metric number is 2019 220314. So that's all for our member introduction. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haris bin Muhammad Khairuddin. I'm from CS110 4G. Now I will show the tutorial on how to set up network topology and how to connect the devices using Cisco Packet Tracer. This tutorial is based on the question given. So as we can see on the question, we need 2 PC and 2 switch. So first we click on the end devices at the option bottom and then select the PC. After that we click on network devices and select the switch. For this switch I will choose the first switch from this option. Okay, now we have 2 PC and 2 switch. So next we want to connect the PC with the switch. So we click on the connection icon and then we select the third cable, which is copper straight through cables. So we click on it and then we go to the switch 1 to connect with the PC 1. So here as we can see here have many options. So based on the question we choose the fast Ethernet 06 for the switch 1 and then connect with the PC 1 and then click fast Ethernet 0. Then next we want to connect the switch 2 with the PC 2. Now we click on the switch 2. Based on the question we need to choose the fast Ethernet 018. So we click on fast Ethernet 018 and then connect to the PC 2. Click the fast Ethernet 0. Next we want to connect the switch 1 with the switch 2. So based on the question we need to choose the fast Ethernet 01 and then click on the switch 2 to connect together. Also select the fast Ethernet 01. Okay, now I will show on how to insert IP address on the PC. So first we click on the PC. So we look at desktop menu. To enter the IP address, we go to the IP configuration. Now we can see the IP address here, so we insert the IP address. Based on the question, the IP address is 192.168.1.10. Then we click on the subnet mask. Okay, now we close it. Okay, next we want to insert the IP address on the PC2. The IP address is 192.168.1.11, and then we click on the subnet mask and then we close it. Now I will show how to connect the PC1 with the PC2. So here we click on the PC1 and we go to the command prompt, and then here we want to enter the IP address ping. So we need to type ping, and then to connect the PC1 with the PC2, so in the PC1 we need to enter the IP address of PC2. The IP address of PC2 is 192.168.1.11. Okay, then we enter. Okay, next we enter the IP address in PC2 using the IP address PC1. Okay. Okay, that's all from me.
First, we need to check this IP address 192.168.1.10 and subnet mask 255.55.55.0. Okay, and this is the IP address we in, and this is the bandwidth and port status. Okay, for another PC here, same. Configuration 192.168.1.11. Okay, and first internet same 192.168.1.11, and port status on, bandwidth auto. Okay, we can insert video and start simulation. And here we'll check, and the status is successful too.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azharul Azman from class CS110 4G. So now, as its conclusion, we know that LAN is very important to us because it can connect the PC to the switch by using the packet tracker. It can help us to learn how to configure the static IP address information on the PC. LAN is very important nowadays because it can send the data much faster, and it provides a useful way of sharing resources between end user and all components, which is client, network, and server, work simultaneously. However, it requires special administrator to maintain it. So that's all. for the conclusion. Thank you.